Alright, this is the second coat I've done so far, and this paint's looking pretty good. This is the same paint that I don't know, in one of my older videos on the Accord, I have a light gray paint that I used on my Honda Accord, but for a gallon of this, it's $45, and yeah, I think this stuff is coming out pretty damn nice so far. And this wing, it's one of those eBay knockoff Mugen wings, or Mugen, and kind of disappointed in it. I had to do like a lot of like sanding on the edges right here, because like as you can see, I missed right here, and it looks like they use like a DA sander, like that one I have on the floor right there. Looks like they mold the fiberglass, and they just probably has rough edges, so they just go over it really quick, and it leaves like all these like super like straight like lines, and it looks pretty ugly. And there's a lot of like little holes in the fiberglass. It's kind of hard to see when it was all covered in like just a black primer, but the edge right here I did all by hand, so the edge was like super like jagged, so it actually looks really good. And then up here on the top edge, I sanded it to round out the edge as well. That came out good, but like I said, when it's all black primer, it's kind of hard to see like, you know, what still needs to be done. And now that, you know, it has gloss on it, it's really easy to spot. Yeah, definitely a little disappointed in this wing. Looks a lot nicer with some paint on it, so yeah, I'm gonna obviously use it. Spent almost $300 on this, but for that amount of money, it should be sent out a lot better than this. Like,